one is called Depression. Pieces of a broken mirror that has a bloody reflection. A reflection that looked lost. Teardrops filled with questions that has been bottled. Fighting a war within the mind. Struggling day after day to be complete. Tearing the tissue God created, wanting to be free. Every wall is painted white, no life to search within. Pacing back and forth, contemplating how to escape this dream. Sweating heavenly, wondering would it be life after the fall. Pieces of a broken mirror, tell me what do you see? The rips and tears of beauty. Suicide of the mind, drugs that has been abused for the pain, sleepless nights, thrill of the high, a bloody reflection looking back at me.
Woo! Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.